They've already been trained about what to expect, how to deliver the care, and that you can even talk about the experience of the company, for example, that you have over 30 years experience, for example. And then you say, could we schedule a quick meeting to discuss your current staffing needs and how we can support you? If they express reservations, you can say, look, I completely understand. Staffing decisions are critical to ensure that your care home runs smoothly. Just to give you peace of mind, all of our staff members are, like I said, rigorously vetted, trained, and meet industry standards and fully compliant with CQC regulations. If you are regulated with CQC, then you would say that, but you can also say that we are fully compliant and we are a recruitment care agency, because in order for you to provide care staff in care homes, nursing homes, you don't need to be CQC registered. That's in the UK, that is. So even if you don't need immediate need, I would love to share more information about what we can do to be your reliable backup for your team when the need arises. Would that be okay? I'll send you some information and I would follow up in about 2 days, not a week or two. If they agree for a meeting, you would say, fantastic. Could I confirm your email address? Just make sure you've got that right, so I can send over to you some information and follow up. Also, what day and time works best for you for a quick chat meeting online on Zoom? Schedule the meeting and then do a follow-up date. Closing the call. Always thank them for their time. Mention the manager's name. I'm confident that we can be a great support to your care home. I'll send you the details over shortly and look forward to speaking with you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Now, this was created through ChatGPT. Now, if you got Voice AI, then Voice AI can actually make that call for you and talk in the same way, for example. But you also would put some objections in so that they know what to say if there's an objection, because I believe this works a lot better than just having someone call and then they just, they're not interested. They're not interested. ChatGPT will go in more deeper depth. The Voice AI will go in more deeper depth. Remember, it's about what you put in to the AI tool that's going to give you the results that you're looking for, because you don't want to just accept they're not interested. It needs to be a bit more than that. It needs to be, why are they not interested? The price, maybe. They're worried about they don't use agency because the owner has said you can't use agency. Then you can look at, well, we offer permanent staff members. How about that? We can have a chat to discuss your permanent staffing solutions, for example, for if and when you need to. Can I schedule a call with you, please? And then another thing that you can think about is not only just that you're providing nurses and healthcare workers, look at all the other things that care homes need. We can provide you with cooks. We can provide you with kitchen assistants. We can provide you with domestic staff. Can I book an appointment with you for when and if the eventuality happens? You've got the information, the presentation, the information about what we do, and also I can shoot that over to you about the additional services that we can offer to you. Now, that is today's training about how to use ChatGPT to create a script for calling care homes, for example, in the UK. Now, there's lots of different scripts that ChatGPT can do, but also, like I said, Voice AI is very good. And we've also got here for video, for example, there's Google AI Studio. It's amazing. You can put so much information in here. It can do your audio. It also works with Gemini, for example, but that's another training for another day. And these are really smart apps that you can use, AI tools that you can use. There's also Google as well. Let me find the... So I've got the script here. There's Google AI, but there's also Google Workspace as well. And that does AI for you as well. But that is another training. But I just want to start sharing with you some of the things that you can do with chat. ChatGPT can even read reports. All you got to do is click the attach and it can read it, and then it can give you a summary of what it is. So I just wanted to just focus on this small training because I want to be able to give you value so that we stick to one thing at a time. I would love for you to be able to try this. I also would appreciate it if you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, for example, and like as well this video. And also check out my playlist here for you to then watch some other things on AI because there's a lot of information. Join me today as well. I've got a live going on today, which is 3 p.m. UK time. And that's going to be quite in depth as well. And that is also about AI. Why do I use AI and why I'm not so sure about the robotic side at the moment. So thank you for this short video today. I hope that you've enjoyed this. This was how you create a script for calling care homes, and this is basically a sales script. And then you can use voice AI to make the calls. That will be the next training, not today, but I'm going to do another training to show you about voice AI and how it can really help you in your business so that you can focus on the things that really matter, which is delivering the care, the high value care that you've set out to do in your business. That's if you are in the care business. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Hi, this is Christine Crowell, and super excited today because I'm doing a live demonstration after this video. At the end, watch the live demonstration of how I use ChatGPT, for example, to create a telephone script. Now, revolutionizing your healthcare business with ChatGPT, it is amazing. Directors or whoever it is you've got, your manager, whatever, needs to be really using it in a way, because it needs to be used by people that understand what the input is and what you want to get out from it. Okay, this isn't for generic, for example. Now it's important because like the academics and the professors, they are using ChatGPT because they know it's more it can be more reliable with data than some other AI tools. And I'm going to be going through different AI tools with you, doing tutorials with you, because I want you to learn and embrace and know how to use ChatGPT, because there's other AI tools that I want you to also embrace in your healthcare business. Because listen, the race is on. They call it the space race, but this is like a golden age for AI, for example, and things are really speeding up at rapid. You've got these big organizations who are investing billions of dollars or pounds or wherever you are. They're investing billions because they want to be able to get things done quicker, faster. They feel it's going to improve things for everybody. But there's also, I've got two sides to every story, for example. So don't always listen to what you always here first. There's always a reason for things, and I don't know what that is currently at the moment. All I know is that this is working really well for me in my business as a small business owner. For example, I live in Cyprus, my business is in Cyprus, and I'm in this beautiful island, and I'm now able to enjoy my time here. When I was in the UK, I was working like flat out. I had like in 2023, I had like 23 staff members. It was exhausting. And I'm nearly 60. I don't want to be this big CEO that is like, full of energy. I still am full of energy, don't get me wrong. But, that was back then. I had energy. I wanted to do that, to be full on and to grow to this massive thing, for example. But really, what I really want is time freedom. And AI has allowed me to do that. I am able to also take on independent coaches that work for themselves. It's their business. So that we'll be collaborating. We're all collaborating to help make business owners have a better success in their business, for example. And this is really about